Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Dogelon Mars. As in my earlier video that I shared a few hours ago with you, this one, I was showing you that after breaking out a very big falling wedge pattern, Dogelon Mars was gearing up once again after testing the support of a very big up channel. You can see that now it is geared up and trying to break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from 2205 and goes to 2500. This is, by the way, a very long-term resistance zone. If we take a look at the previous history, then you can see that previously it had been working as a support here for several weeks or months. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into a resistance here. And after the breakout, it worked as a nice support here. But now, again, it is working as a resistance for the past few weeks. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very, very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. You can see that after breaking out this wedge, the price line also got rejected by the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and now it is testing the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. And by the way, it was also rejected by this long-term resistance of 420 as well. And in today's video, we will also watch this channel and these resistance levels. And I would also like to show you a very big trade signal, a quite big trade setup that I shared a few days ago on 16th of May 2024 with my members, and that Dogelon Mars has formed on a weekly time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my quite long-term trade signal for Dogelon Mars that I shared with my members on 16th of May 2024. And that is a very big harmonic bullish reversal garlet pattern that Dogelon Mars has formed on a weekly time frame chart, and you can see it was moving here. And if I play this chart, then you can observe that the price line is geared up, and so far it has pumped almost 25%, but still moving almost inside this potential reversal zone, and a very, very big move is still due. And the technical targets as per the Fibonacci sequence of this garlet move are from 2238 and goes to 3728. Now let's move to the live chart, and here you can see that previously it was moving inside this very, very big falling wedge pattern since after October 2021. Therefore, this was a multi-year based resistance, and you can see that it has broken out this resistance. Therefore, now this is the beginning of a very, very big bull run for Dogelon Mars. But now it is stuck inside in another up channel. In fact, we found the support and resistance of this channel when it was moving inside this previous wedge. And here we broke it out for a while, retested the previous resistance of the channel as support, geared up, but again moved down and broke down the support. And now the price line is gearing up after testing the support of the channel and this lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. Now we need to break out this long-term resistance on that starts from 0.0000 and 2205 and goes to 0.0000 and 002500 dollars that had been previously breaking as a resistance on here. By the way, here it also break as a resistance, and here as a resistance, and now again it is working as a resistance as well. Here, by the way, it worked as a support as well when it was retesting the previous resistance of the channel. Now once the price and will be able to break out this long-term resistance on, then it can imminently move up to the resistance of the channel that will be approximately at 3083. And at the same time, it is also trying to break out this very long-term resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. Previously, we got rejected by the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and this time, the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud is almost at the same level where we have the resistance of the channel. Therefore, if this time it will be breaking out the resistance of the channel, then at the same time, it will be also breaking out this upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well, and then it can try to break out this next long-term key resistance of 4200 as well, from where we got rejection here in the month of March 2024. Now, if we take a look at the targets, then this time if the price line breaks out the resistance of the channel, then target for the breakout from the resistance of the channel will be here at this next long-term resistance of 5520. And the final target for this very, very massive breakout from this big falling wedge pattern is here. By the way, here we also have a very, very big hidden bullish divergence as well. Therefore, I'm expecting that soon it can start this very massive move, because the oscillator, the stochastic oscillator, is forming lower than previous low, and you can see that the price line is forming a very, very clear higher low than previous low. This is a hidden bullish divergence, and therefore I'm expecting that soon it can make another attempt to break out the resistance of the channel. Now let's take a look at the target for this breakout. And that target can be here at the top of this wedge. That can be approximately at point 00 and 00 and 0, 5 times 0, $2276. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.